In this video, I'm going to review a 1 year since I purchased this bag, what's inside of it, why I chose those things, and just how much this bag can store. Whether you're a backpacker, a hiker, a prepper, whatever you want to consider yourself, this is a great bag. And it holds a ton of storage space. But before we get into it, I want to announce the winner of the drone we picked at random. And one of the reasons was it was a really cool name. I'm a huge fan of Airwolf back in the 80s, and Stringfoot Huck was my favorite character. So with that being said, the winner of the drone is Outdoors and Gaming with Jake Stringfellow. So if you would please shoot me an email at wouldibuy@gmail.com and give me your address, and I will get that shipped out to you as soon as possible. For the rest of you that didn't win, don't fear. I'm hoping to have another giveaway here shortly in the future. If you are looking at a drone, if you use my link for Amazon down below to purchase the drone, I get a little something out of it. You get a great drone, and I would surely appreciate it as it supports the channel. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into the bag review. So like I said in my first review, I bought this mainly for a bag to keep in my Jeep as a get-home bag. Back before all of this stuff was happening, I was traveling out of the area quite a bit, and I wanted something that if the car would break down or anything like that, I would be able to at least get back home. So that's the reason I bought the bag. That's the reason why I outfitted the bag. And in this video, I'm going to go through the reasons why and what I did to it. So let's get started. Front pocket, I have portable shovel. You never know when you have to put out a fire or dig a latrine, those things. Boot knife. Front pocket is still empty. I do keep all of the packaging that comes with almost anything. If it's paper, cardboard, you can always burn it to start a fire. In the main compartment, I have first aid kit. And I'll put links to most of this stuff down below. Most of it I got on Amazon, some of it I got at Walmart, others I got at Harbor Freight. But the stuff I got online with Amazon, I'll put the links below. Again, if you choose to buy it, it just helps out the channel, and you get some pretty cool stuff. Zip ties, although I have broken into this several times because I'm missing, but I keep zip ties. Good pair of gloves, mechanics with the protected knuckles. Duct tape. Life straw. Life straw container, or to clean container to keep water in. Extra socks. 2 pairs of socks. Figure you change them out daily. They'll keep dry. Outdoor lantern with batteries. I haven't tapped into the batteries. They still have the protective seal and taped up so that way they don't go bad. The extra pouch that'll clip on the side to hold the water bottle, that's in the bottom. And a couple of these cool like D-rings with parachute cord D-rings to attach things onto the bag. That came with the bag, so I kept it in there. Also a compass. And then open the big pack. In the big pouch, this opens all out and lays nicely. I have a pair of jeans, my Boy Scout mess kit, 2 packs, Adventure Ready meals, freeze dried, the biscuits and gravy and chicken fried rice. Again, there's the pocket knife that's in here. I keep the paper because you never know to start. Parachute cord. Some utility cord. Super glue. Works great for sealing up cuts. There's a 3-pack of emergency blankets, space heater blankets, whatever you want to call it, to keep warm. I do have bleed stop. Another knife or multi-purpose tool. It's a cheap one. It's like $4, $5 at Walmart, but it never hurts. Another pair of gloves. Nothing's worse than having hands that hurt or cold. This is this came as a kit, so this is the big knife with the saw. It also came with the shovel and another portable saw type, but I wasn't going to keep that in here. It's a folding saw. And just a standard plain blue tarp, Harbor Freight, $4. And more little zip ties. Again, most of this stuff is, I wouldn't go camping with it. It's not the greatest quality, and I didn't spend thousands of dollars to prepare myself, but I figured the stuff in this bag will at least get me shelter. It'll keep me warm, it'll keep me fed, and it'll keep me dry. Those are the biggest things. Hypothermia with cold. I'm not too worried about lack of food because you can sustain quite a while with stored reserves. But I am worried about water. That's why I opted for the life straw and the container. Worst case, I can dip it in the river, stream, whatever, and then drink it from the life straw or drink directly from the stream. Even a swimming pool, any kind of water you can find. That's why I wanted the life straw. But that's basically it. That's what's in my kit. It rides in my Jeep all the time. Or if we go camping, I'll move it from my Jeep to the camper. Or if we're going on a long trip, say 2-3 hours away from home, I will throw this in our van. And it's not enough for 3 people to survive for a long period of time. But again, if you were broken down alongside the road, the space blankets, I bought 3 of them. And then I have another tarp. In my vehicles, I also carry candles, lighters, things like that. That's one thing I don't have in here. I do have the magic match that's in my glove compartment also. That's just stuff I can grab out here and put in here. Some things I would probably add to this bag would be strike anywhere matches or a couple Bic cheap lighters. Now that I have everything out, I'm thinking about this. Another one would be a power bank for cell phones and a map. Basically, the area that I'm going to be in would be a map. I have the compass, but I didn't get a topographical map of the area because I don't know where I'm going to end up in the long run. But hope you enjoyed the video. So you can see this bag does hold quite a bit. Again, it's been thrown around in my Jeep in different vehicles. I've seen little or no wear on it. It rides nicely up on the hips. It has that waist belt to keep it higher. Overall, I would definitely buy this bag again. I'm actually thinking about buying another one for just like day trips and things like that when we're camping. Something I can throw a bunch of stuff in. But hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, have a great day.